Ever experienced a strange coincidence that seemed too significant to dismiss as mere chance? We're venturing into the realm of synchronicities, those peculiar, seemingly random events that, upon closer inspection, reveal a web of interconnected significance. A world where the mundane meets the mystical, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. It's a dance of chance and meaning, a ballet of the cosmos that we're all part of, so strap in and open your mind. Welcome on a journey through the fascinating world of synchronicities. The term synchronicity might sound complex, but its essence is quite simple. At its core, synchronicity is about the profound, the mysterious, the serendipitous. It's the experience of events that are seemingly unrelated, yet they collide in a way that holds deep personal significance. Imagine a day when you woke up with a song stuck in your head, and then, as if by magic, you hear that very song playing on the radio. Or perhaps you thought about an old friend you hadn't spoken to in years, and then out of the blue, they give you a call. These are the moments of synchronicity, the meaningful coincidences that appear to defy the laws of chance. The term synchronicity was coined by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung in the mid-20th century. For Jung, synchronicity was more than just simple coincidence. He saw it as an expression of deeper, underlying patterns in the universe, a manifestation of what he termed the collective unconscious. This is a realm that goes beyond the personal psyche, connecting us all at a fundamental level. Jung's synchronicity is not bound by the linear progression of cause and effect. Instead, it operates in the realm of the symbolic, the metaphoric, where time and space are not barriers but bridges to deeper understanding. It is a dance between the internal and the external, the subjective and the objective. However, it's important to remember that synchronicity isn't about the events themselves, but our perception of them. It's the significance we attach to these coincidences that transforms them into synchronicities. For one person, a black cat crossing their path might be a bad omen, a sign of impending doom. But for another, it might just be a cat going about its feline business. So, you see, synchronicity is not an external phenomenon that happens to us, but an internal process that happens within us. It's a dialogue between our inner world and the outer world, a conversation between the conscious and the unconscious. It's the universe speaking to us in a language of symbols and signs, waiting for us to decipher its messages. The magic of synchronicity lies in the eye of the beholder. Synchronicity isn't just about individual experiences, it's deeply rooted in a shared human consciousness. Enter the realm of the collective unconscious, a term coined by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Gustav Jung. This collective unconscious, according to Jung, is a reservoir of shared experiences and archetypes that spans across humanity, transcending individual and cultural boundaries. It's a universal library of human experiences where every thought, emotion, and dream is stored. Now you might be wondering, how does synchronicity tie into this collective unconscious? Well, Jung proposed that synchronicities are expressions of this shared unconscious. They are the manifestation of the archetypal patterns and primal themes that reside deep within our collective psyche. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're thinking about an old friend you haven't spoken to in years. Suddenly, out of the blue, they call you. It's a synchronicity, right? But according to Jung, it's not just a coincidence, it's a reflection of the shared archetypal themes of friendship, connection, and reunion that reside within our collective unconscious. These synchronicities are not mere chance. They are meaningful coincidences, a cosmic language that speaks directly to our unconscious mind, revealing patterns and resonances that echo throughout the collective human experience. So synchronicity is not just about you or me. It's about us, about humanity as a whole. It's about the shared patterns and themes that reveal our deep connections to each other and to the universe. But there's more. Jung believed that these synchronicities could guide us, could help us navigate our life's journey. They're like signposts on the road, pointing us towards our destiny, towards self-realization and wholeness. So the next time you encounter a synchronicity, remember, it's not just a personal experience. It's a message from the collective unconscious, a reminder of our shared human journey. It's a call to explore the depth of our psyche and to embrace the interconnectedness of our existence. In the realm of synchronicity, our minds are more interconnected than we usually realize. The world of physics, especially quantum physics, has a fascinating take on synchronicities. You see, physics is the science of matter and energy, of the fundamental particles that make up our universe. Quantum physics takes it a step further, exploring the bizarre and counterintuitive behaviors of these particles at the smallest scales. In this realm, particles can exist in multiple places at once. They can be entangled, meaning the state of one particle can instantly affect the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This is a phenomenon Einstein famously referred to as spooky action at a distance. Now, could this quantum entanglement be the underlying mechanism for synchronicities? If we consider synchronicities as significant coincidences, then quantum physics offers a compelling perspective. It suggests that our reality is not as separate and distinct as we perceive it to be. Instead, everything is interconnected at the quantum level. Your thoughts, feelings, actions, and the events in your life might all be part of a vast interconnected web of reality. In fact, some theorists propose that the observer, that's you and me, plays an active role in creating this reality. This is known as the observer effect, where the act of observation changes the outcome. Could it be then that our consciousness, our focused attention, brings about these synchronicities? That we are not just passive recipients of these meaningful coincidences, but active participants creating and shaping our reality? Of course, these are complex concepts, and they challenge many of our everyday assumptions about how the world works. Quantum physics is still a field of ongoing research, with many unanswered questions, but it provides a tantalizing glimpse into the potential mechanisms behind synchronicities. It invites us to consider a world where everything is deeply interconnected, where thoughts can influence matter, and where meaningful coincidences are not just random, but integral parts of our reality. It suggests that synchronicities might not be mere coincidences, but rather signs of a universe that is far more interconnected and mysterious than we could ever have imagined. The universe, it seems, speaks to us in the language of synchronicities. Synchronicities are not just a modern fascination. They have been recognized and interpreted in various cultures and spiritual traditions. In the intricate tapestry of human history, cultures across the globe have sought to understand the enigma of synchronicity. Mythologies, folklore, and religious texts are replete with tales of meaningful coincidences that altered the course of events or revealed profound truths. In the ancient Greek world, for example, synchronicities were seen as messages from the gods, a divine intervention in the human realm. Their mythology is peppered with instances where gods communicate with mortals through symbol-laden dreams, prophetic utterances, and uncanny occurrences, all of which are forms of synchronistic phenomena. Moving eastward, the Chinese philosophy of Taoism offers a rich interpretation of synchronicity. Taoists believe in the concept of wu wei, which translates roughly to effortless action or going with the flow. In this worldview, synchronicities are seen as signs that one is in harmony with the Tao, the universal flow of life. They are not just coincidences, but affirmations of being in alignment with the natural order of things. The indigenous cultures of Australia, America, and Africa have their own unique perspectives. They perceive synchronicities as the language of the spirit world, a way for ancestors and spiritual beings to guide and communicate with the living. An unexpected encounter with an animal, for instance, is often seen as a significant message carrying spiritual wisdom. In the realm of Eastern philosophies, particularly Hinduism and Buddhism, synchronicities are deeply intertwined with the concepts of karma and reincarnation. They are seen as karmic echoes from past lives or indicators of spiritual lessons that need to be learned in the present life. This diverse cultural and spiritual understanding of synchronicities points to a shared human experience, a universal fascination with the mystery of meaningful coincidences. Yet, each tradition interprets them through its own unique lens, shaped by its beliefs, values, and worldview. In modern times, this ancient wisdom is being re-explored and reinterpreted. Spiritual seekers, philosophers, and even scientists are delving into the enigma of synchronicities, seeking to understand their significance in our lives and their implications for our understanding of reality. As we navigate through the labyrinth of life, synchronicities serve as signposts, nudging us towards introspection, spiritual growth, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. They invite us to question, explore, and marvel at the intricate dance of existence. In conclusion, synchronicities are more than mere coincidences. They are whispers from the universe, hinting at an interconnected reality that transcends our conventional understanding of time and space. They are a universal phenomenon, interpreted through the lens of our cultural and spiritual beliefs. So the next time you encounter a synchronicity, remember, it's not just a coincidence, it's a conversation with the universe. Synchronicities are a universal phenomenon, interpreted through the lens of our cultural and spiritual beliefs. The power of synchronicities extends beyond the mystical. It can shape our personal and spiritual growth. Imagine walking on a path, unsure of the direction, when suddenly a trail of breadcrumbs appears. These breadcrumbs, these synchronicities, are not just random occurrences, but meaningful coincidences that guide us towards our true selves. They are the universe's way of communicating with us, nudging us to grow and evolve. Recognizing synchronicities can lead to increased self-awareness. You see, when we encounter these meaningful coincidences, we begin to question. We question the nature of reality, our place in the universe, and our purpose. This questioning sparks a journey of introspection and self-discovery. We start to see patterns, connections that we might have missed before. We begin to realize that we are not just passive observers in the universe, but active participants. When we become aware of these synchronicities, we invite change into our lives. We open ourselves to new perspectives, ideas, and possibilities. We break free from the shackles of routine and predictability, daring to venture into the unknown. This change is not always comfortable, but it is necessary for growth. It pushes us out of our comfort zones, challenging us to adapt, learn, and evolve. Synchronicities also foster spiritual growth. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all things, of the divine order that underlies the chaos of the universe. They awaken us to the magic of existence, the miracles that are happening all around us. They fuel our sense of wonder, our curiosity, our thirst for knowledge. They inspire us to seek, to explore, to understand. In essence, synchronicities serve as a mirror reflecting our inner selves. They reveal our hidden fears, desires, and potentials. They expose our strengths and weaknesses, our triumphs and failures. They show us who we are and who we can be. This self-knowledge is the key to personal growth. It empowers us to make conscious decisions, to take control of our lives, to shape our destiny. As we navigate through the labyrinth of life, synchronicities can be our guiding light. They can illuminate the path, showing us the way forward. They can offer insights, wisdom, and guidance. They can be a source of comfort, assurance, and inspiration. They can be a beacon of hope in the midst of uncertainty. Synchronicities can be a guiding compass on our journey of self-discovery. They can lead us to the treasure that lies within us, the treasure of self-awareness, self-understanding, and self-actualization. They can help us unlock our full potential, paving the way for personal and spiritual growth. They can be the key to a more fulfilling, meaningful, and purposeful life. Synchronicities, in their mysterious ways, add a touch of magic to our everyday lives. These serendipitous moments, these patterns in the chaos, are threads weaving a grand tapestry of existence, a symphony of interconnected events that, when observed, reveal a universal harmony beyond the limitations of our understanding. We've traversed together through the intriguing world of synchronicities, exploring their definition, their connection to the collective unconscious as theorized by Carl Jung, their potential links to the fabric of reality through the lens of quantum physics, and their cultural and spiritual interpretations across the globe. Synchronicities are more than mere coincidences. They are a cosmic language, a dialogue between the self and the universe. They are the universe echoing back our thoughts, our emotions, our desires in the form of seemingly unrelated events, nudging us towards growth, towards understanding, towards enlightenment. We've seen how these synchronicities can lead to personal growth, how they can guide us on our path, shedding light on the dark corners of our psyche, helping us uncover hidden truths about ourselves and the world around us. They are like breadcrumbs in the forest of existence, leading us towards our true selves, towards a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. But the magic of synchronicities lies not just in their existence, but in our ability to recognize them. The universe is constantly whispering its secrets to those who are willing to listen. It's up to us to tune into this cosmic frequency, to open our minds and hearts to the whispers of the universe. In doing so, we learn to see the world not as a collection of separate, disjointed events, but as a grand orchestra where every note, every beat, every silence is part of a larger symphony, a cosmic dance of energy and matter, of chaos and order, of existence and non-existence. By recognizing and embracing synchronicities, we learn to navigate life's ebbs and flows with grace and wisdom. We become co-creators of our reality, shaping our destiny with the universe as our guide. We learn to see the beauty in the chaos, the order in the randomness, the magic in the mundane. And as we do, we begin to realize that we are not mere spectators in this grand cosmic play, but active participants, shaping and being shaped by the events around us. We are both the dancer and the dance, the observer and the observed, the creator and the created. In the world of synchronicities, the line between the self and the universe blurs, revealing a profound truth. We are not separate from the universe, we are the universe experiencing itself. So, as we journey through life, let us listen to the whispers of the universe. Let us embrace the magic of synchronicities. Let us question our perception of reality and explore the power of these experiences. And as we do, let us remember, we are not alone in our journey. We are part of a grand cosmic symphony, a symphony that is constantly unfolding, constantly evolving, constantly creating. As we conclude our journey, remember, in the world of synchronicities, nothing is ever just a coincidence.